Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a new blank page on the Google Docs. Here I have opened a document and you can see that this document only consists of one page and I want to add a new blank page in here. So what you need to do here is just put the cursor at the end of the page like this, or if you want to add it before, you can put it at the beginning of the page. And after that, here you can go to the insert options, and then you can see at the bottom there will be this option. So what you need to do is just choose this page break, or you can also use the shortcut Control plus Enter. Just click on that, and just like that, a new page will be created instantly. So that's pretty much easy, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.